Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right in front of your beautiful eyes, we're going to make a delicious fish curry. I'm using tilapia fish. You could be using a completely different fish if you want. This is very easy and absolutely bombastic. Let's get going. Okay, let's take a look at the first stage of this beautiful fish curry. So I'm using tilapia fish. You could be using a different whole fish if you want, but I've gone for tilapia. The head and the tail have been taken off. It's been descaled and cleaned. I've cut it into nice big chunky pieces, as you can see there. And what we're going to do first, we're going to add some turmeric, chili powder and salt. We're going to get that mixed in there first, and then we're going to fry the fish before we move on. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl. You can see the chunky size of fish that I've got. Simply a couple of teaspoons of the turmeric, a couple of teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder and some salt. You can see I've got a glove on. We're simply just going to mix this in, give it a little rub around, and then we're off to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could do something different if you want. You can go our fish. And we're on a medium heat. We're not going to go crazy frying this. And we're going to go for about, in total, 8 minutes. We'll be turning it often. It's going to be absolutely divine. Looks great already. Okay, so off goes the heat. Now don't worry if you don't think your fish is cooked all the way through, because of course we're going to be cooking it again in the curry a bit later. So fetch this out. We can move on to the next stage. Now what I want you to do is keep some of this oil. We're going to go back in with this oil because it's got some lovely flavours in it, hasn't it? But I mean, there's too much there, but I'm going to reduce that down by about 50%. So, fish is done. We now have one large onion cut nice and small, some cilantro or coriander. I've got like 1 pint of coconut milk there, a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some fresh green chilies, fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, wonderful. If not, you might better get them dried. In there I've got what I always call the big four. So we've got 2 teaspoons of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. 2 to 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and as you can see there's some beautiful dried red chili. Let's get back to the cooker with that lovely oil. So I've reduced this oil down by quite a lot. We're going to start by dropping in those cumin seeds, the dried red chili and the fresh curry leaves. Just a few seconds, let them do their thing. Now we're going to go in with the onion. While I'm here, I'm going to add some salt. And as you can see in here, we're on a fairly lively heat, not maximum but above medium. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Keep it moving now. Beautiful, really beautiful. Next up we're going to add in our garlic ginger paste. Now garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We make our own here because we use so much of it, which is quite easy to do, or you can buy it in most stores depending on where you live. Fresh chili. Then we're going to go in with the spices. Let's take a look at them again. Equal parts, like 2 teaspoons each. Chili, coriander, cumin, and turmeric. In that goes. Staying on this same heat, above medium. And next up, we're going to go in with like a pint of coconut milk. So I just want that to go just for like 2 minutes, then we're going to add our fish. So that is coming together absolutely beautifully. We're going to reduce the heat down to just above a simmer, and then we're going to drop in our fish. And this is where, if you were a bit worried that it wasn't cooked, this is where it's going to cook now. That is fabulous. I'm going to grab a lid, I'm going to pop a lid on. I'm going to let that go for about 6-7 minutes on a nice gentle heat. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. That is absolutely divine. I mean, really super. Gonna finish this off with a little bit of garam masala powder. I didn't show you this earlier, but garam masala is a little spice mix. It's a beautiful little finishing spice, so 2 or 3 little pinches or so. We're gonna add a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. And we're done. I'll see you at the table. And there she blows. Absolutely delicious. I mean, really, really good. Fantastic with rice of any sort, of plain rice or fried rice, or biryani rice, or bread, roti, paratha, something like that would be delicious. We hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.